Giles Montessori and School. English Grade 4. Unit 3, Clever Polly. Difficult words and meanings. Opened, khola, unlocked. Eaten, khaya, consumed food. Escape, fara, running away. Great, azim, very good. Now, a flat, at this moment. Snarled, gharaya, growled angrily. Inside, under, within something. Large, bara, very big. Marvelous, shandar, wonderful. Delicious, mezda, very tasty. Chocolate, chocolate, sweet brown treat. Cake, cake, sweet baked dessert. Favorite, pasandida, liked the most. Food, khana, something to eat. Kitchen, bawarchi khana, cooking place. Greedily, lalach se, with too much desire. Stove, chulha, cooking burner. Pie, pie, baked filled dish. Slice, tukara, a thin piece. Tongue, zuban, part of mouth. Please, barah karam, a polite request. Doorbell, darwaze ki ghanti, bell at the door. Howled, cheekha, cried loudly. Piece, tukara, a small part. Door, darwaza, entryway. Fascinating, dilchasp, extremely interesting. Facts, haqaiq, true information. Bunch of bananas, kelan ka guchha, cluster of bananas.